Hello! Today is a great day to finish the walls. Last week we used cardstock for the wallpaper, and today we're going to be covering the floor so that we can add a coat of polyurethane. This is going to be a protective coat that will allow me in the future to wipe the wall down if need be. Because if I don't do that, it's just a piece of cardboard on the wall. And I don't want the walls to look perfect because I want the lived-in look, which I haven't been very good at doing with any of the other rooms. And this is just a very quick step. This is basswood, and it's 1/32 of an inch thick, and I will be cutting strips 1/4 of an inch in wide, and some will be 1/2 an inch. And I'm going to paint them roughly. Again, I don't want them to look perfect so that they look a little bit lived in. And also, this is for the kitchen. The living room and the dining room were done with a more finished look because those rooms are where the owners of the house entertain, whereas the kitchen is all about being functional, utilitarian room. Of course, I did a dry fit with my sticks before I actually glue them down, and this creates a division between the two rooms. And this stick I'm just gonna hold with clothespins until it dries. These are the 1/2 an inch thick sticks, and these are going to be for the baseboards and also for the crown molding. This baseboard is a little bit bigger and thicker than the one that I installed in the dining area. Again, because in this room, you can imagine that they were using a mop and cleaning it constantly, so it needed to be a little bit higher to protect the walls. Now it looks more finished. It's getting ready for the furniture and appliances. This area right here, I intentionally left unfinished because this is where the staircase is going to be. Stay with us. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and share it.